Here's how to export or save a step file. So NX is a native PRT file extension. So using a part file like we have here shown in NX, you can see the .prt right here in the name. Sometimes softwares cannot read that. So a .stp file is a very common, or step file is a very common way of opening parts in universal softwares. So what we can do is, if we need this part to be opened in a different software, we can save or export it as a step file. To do so, we can come up to the top, say File, Export, then come down to the bottom here and say Step. A common protocol is a 203, so we'll go ahead and use the AP203 protocol. Then here where it says Step File, we can click this Browse folder, and this is going to be the location where you want to save the step file. We'll go ahead and save it in our sample part folder. Here, once you do that, you can rename the part as well. So we'll go ahead and name it and then say OK. Now our file path for saving is set. We then can go to Data to Export. I like to choose the Selected Objects feature. Using this, it allows me to save only what I select inside of the file. So I'm going to go ahead and say I want to only save the part file, for my part model, I should say. I'm going to go ahead and select the part model, and then I am done. I can say OK. It's going to export that step file, and then in just a second, it's going to pop up with a notification here, and that notification is going to say that our step export is completed. So now, if we browse out to our training folder, into our sample part where we saved it, you'll see that we have training videos sample part -2, the file that we had just saved.